All right guys, welcome, because today I am doing my gaming video on the OnePlus 9 Pro and the OnePlus 9. And stay tuned to the very end of this video because I've got a surprise for you. So let's jump in. So gaming is something we like to do a lot on this channel, and a lot of people like, especially on the OnePlus devices. And today, the OnePlus 9 series is finally out and is available here. The two devices from OnePlus, we've got the OnePlus 9 Pro, which is their flagship device, and the OnePlus 9, which of course is the entry level into the OnePlus 9 series. Both of these devices are powered by the Snapdragon AAA processor, so you expect it to get that kind of performance you expect from flagship devices, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, when it comes to the benchmarks on it, you can see it on screen. Pretty standard affair for AAA devices, and functionality is pretty good. But forget that. Let's dive into what these devices do for us as gamers. So it comes packed with the 888 as mentioned. We also have at least 8 gigs of RAM, and of course there are different SKU models you can go up to from 8 to 12. And with the OnePlus 9 Pro, there are some differences with the OnePlus 9. So the display, for instance, on the 9 Pro is a 6.7-inch display. So what you have here is something that is lovely. It's got a refresh rate of 1 Hz to 120 Hz. LTPO display, which means it's got that adaptive refresh rate. Really nice, really smooth, especially for your gaming needs. And it's also got something called HyperTouch. Now, HyperTouch is great in certain games. It moves the touch sensitivity from 240 Hz to 360. What does that mean? Honestly, it's best to be experienced. When you're playing a game like PUBG Mobile or Call of Duty Mobile, as well as also League of Legends, those are the 3 games right now that support it. It feels, when I mean butter smooth, I mean absolutely butter smooth. You can go up and fire up those games and you feel like you are just gliding through. Controls are really nice. Very fast refresh rate. All the way, honestly, it's just great. It's a great experience. And that's something that's different from the OnePlus 9. Now with the OnePlus 9, you have a display that's 120 Hz. It's not an LTPO display, but again, you do have touch sensitive 240 Hz. So it is nice and smooth. Gameplay experience is great. You've got some really just overall solid performance from this device. So you're asking the question, what does that performance look like? So let's go ahead and fire up a game like PUBG Mobile on the OnePlus 9 Pro so you can take a look. So with PUBG Mobile, you have the ability to play on the 2 key settings we always check out. Ultra HD Ultra, which I'm playing right now. And then you can go ahead, I can't switch, but you can play in smooth and extreme. So with those two, you've got those great gaming functionalities. Now with Ultra HD Ultra, I get about 40 frames per second, which is nice, using Game Bench, which is my Game Bench tool. Some really nice performance on it. And the 9 Pro, it just feels really nice, butter smooth. Now, Smooth Extreme is the other option as well. And with Smooth Extreme, I get about 60 frames per second on PUBG Mobile. Now, PUBG is just a game that I am not that good at, but I'm gonna give you some gameplay here for you to enjoy. But one thing you will note that the experience is really, really nice. And that fast motion is also really solid all the way.